What's up, Pokemon fans? So, we are back with another opening for Sun and Moon today. I'm gonna be opening these 3 packs for today. So, what can we expect out of 3 Sun and Moon packs? Maybe 1 holo, at least. I mean, with these pull rates from Sun and Moon, you know, you can't really expect much. So we are hoping for 1 holo. If not, it's alright. So we will begin with Solgaleo. Man, it'd be so awesome if I pull him in a hyper rare, which I haven't got yet. Man, like, I haven't really got most of these cards though yet. Like, I want to complete this set too so bad, you know. I want to get it all. So 3, and then the energy right here. So we got it, Psychic Energy, Lima, Hypno, Trumbic, Drowsy, Cutiefly, Skarmory, Bone Sweet, Alolan Diglett, and a Skarmory reverse with a Vigavolt holo. Nice. So we got 1 holo. So that's nice. Alright. So next we got the Lunala pack. Alright. So 3, and then the energy in the front. Alright. So we got a Fighting Energy, Potion, Trumbeak again, Golbat, Pikipek, Sandile, Snubble, Fearow, Grubbin, Reverse Kangaskhan, which is a rare, nice, and a Pylosand, regular rare. And the last pack of this Pokemon opening, Sun and Moon opening. Three in energy. Alright. Fire Energy, Herdier, Crushing Hammer, Charge Bug, Fearow, Grubbin, Spearow, Alolan Grimer, Rowlet, Pelipper reverse, and a Parasect rare. So we did manage to get a holo nonetheless. Vigavolt holo. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, leave a like. If you dislike it. And if you are new, subscribe for more Pokemon openings. Alright, later guys.